Hi, I am Kajer on two wheels, and today we will be test driving the Tenere 700s. So what is this Tenere 700s? Well, this is Yamaha taking the awesome CP2 engine from the MT-07 and the Tracer 700 and sticking it to a proper off-road frame. Put in some proper off-road suspension, wheels, tires, and you've got a proper off-road bike with an awesome engine. Thing is, this shows no compromise on the road. Oh, cornering does look nice, does feel nice. Ah, this more like it. This is a lot more like it. Riding fast, it feels generally just about perfect, even with the off-road tires. There's a lot of grip on these actually, a lot more than I was expecting. They feel great. I can't help myself looking sideways. I'm sorry, I'm supposed to be doing a test ride, not enjoying the ride, but it's hard. And it's a very comfortable machine to be standing up on. And it's actually quite comfortable. Standing up, it's quite comfortable. The position is damn near perfect. The handlebars are quite raised, so my arms aren't completely stretched. Even with my legs completely stretched, which is not the way they're supposed to be, I don't have to stretch my arms. They're slightly bent, so it's perfect. It's the second bike, and the other one was the Ténéré 1200, where standing up completely stock is just perfect. It actually feels quite well-rounded. Even if you don't put some extreme tires on it, some semi-tires, I think this will work fine on the road. And I was expecting a tall, heavy off-road machine, well, not heavy, but at least a tall one, to be a bit cumbersome in town, but it's not. It's just easy to ride. And that is the amazing thing. It corners as well as you would expect a road bike to corner. It is just that incredible. It should not exist, and yet, here it is. It just corners perfectly at high speed. At low speed it just feels fine in the city, just feels fine on the highway, just feels fine in the open road, and it feels great off-road. Whoa, what the f... Whoa, what the f... Whoa, what the f... Oh, I know who that is. That's an off-road guy over there. This for him is a highway. That's why he was jumping in with the bike all going nuts, and he's fine with it. See? There he goes. Well, I'm not skilled enough to do that in particular. Because now, on the dirt, I am Captain Slow. And now I am literally eating dust. Can't see anything, Jesus. So here we are, having a lot of fun in the dirt on a Tenere, which is the whole point of the bike. And it just feels perfect. I'm not in any way, shape or form uncomfortable, and in fact I'm so confident that I can't see the road and I don't care. It's just go straight. At most some throttle when there's a bigger hole to lift up the front, and that's just about it. Avoid the bigger stuff. And I have zero or nearly zero experience with off-road. I have no idea what I'm doing, and yet I am doing it. That is the beauty of this bike. It does allow
anyone to be a proper explorer.
That's a deep rut. Don't even need to stand up. It's awesome. Ouch. Didn't see that one coming.
Sure, it'll get scraped, but it doesn't look bad scraped. It actually looks good with the sides kind of scraped.
That was not me. It's amazing.
So it is rugged. It will be a good travel partner. And I did not like this test ride in particular. A slowpoke conga line is just not my thing. But I did enjoy the bike a lot, even though the test ride was nothing like what I needed and what I wanted.
This is a proper exploration bike. It's not that that was particularly hard, it's that it was particularly easy. That's the thing. It just felt mundane. It was loose sand on hard packed dirt, and then slightly deeper sand on hard packed dirt, and so so yeah, this is a great bike to explore in, and I am very keen to do an actual test ride on my test track to compare it directly with the others. Very keen on doing that. Really very keen. This does feel like a bike for everything. The one bike. The one I take to work with a top case or side cases. Take it to work, come back through all the weird paths I can find, and not really have a care in the world. This is the Yamaha T7. I can't wait and look at this site. I cannot wait to get a proper test ride, not just a ride around, but a proper test ride with my own test track, my own routes, my own freedom and my own pace. And so yeah, that's it, the Yamaha T7. Finally, this great off-road engine that has been equipping road bikes on the Yamaha for quite a while has a proper off-road chassis, and this is the thing. This is the medium tourer from Yamaha, and I believe it is awesome. It's going to sell like freaking hotcakes, and it is going to be one of those that's going to be loved and loved and loved, and in 20 years we're probably still going to be seeing people wanting to buy this thing. I do believe it's just going to be that good, and I really wanted to do this by myself. I really have to find a way to ride this one again. I can just buy one. Like, yeah, that could work. Oh boy, I like this one. I really do. I also like the engine not actually works. It's a bit has a more open sound than the normal Tracer, which sounds like, well, a sewing machine, to be honest. This one sounds a bit better. I wonder if this wheel is easily. It probably will, but that guy in front might not like it. Then again, I am not here to make him happy, am I?